This is Steve with treebirdfeeders.com. And this is Mike Angelo. Mike and Angelo and I are going to show you folks the tree bird feeder limb. It's the smallest of our tree bird feeders. Mike Angelo, the tree bird feeder limb, it hangs. It's got cedar, made out of cedar, got top, bottom cedar, the middle bar cedar, got 2 tubes for feeding our tree bird feeder suet, or you can put store-bought suet in there or homemade suet. 2 wire feeders on the side, one for larger seed, one for smaller seed. Lots of perches. Fill these wire tubes from the top. The lid just snaps off and then snaps right back in there, and this hangs. So Mike Angelo, what's your favorite thing about the tree bird feeder limb? The finches, very good. So that's our tree bird feeder limb. Appreciate you guys taking the time to watch. And be sure and check out all of our feeders here on treebirdfeeders.com. My email, phone number's on there if you need to contact me with any questions. This is Steve and Mike Angelo with treebirdfeeders.com, and thanks for watching.